An example of the efficiency ratio is the cash conversion cycle ratio, which is also called the operating conversion cycle ratio. The cash conversion cycle formula is days inventory outstanding plus days sales outstanding minus days payable outstanding. Days inventory outstanding is also known as days sales in inventory. Days sales outstanding is also known as days sales in receivables, and days payable outstanding is also known as days sales in payables. Therefore, we can rewrite the cash conversion cycle formula as days sales in inventory plus days sales in receivables minus days sales in payables. We can substitute directly in this formula if we can calculate the days inventory outstanding, days sales outstanding, and the days payables outstanding earlier. The days inventory outstanding is calculated as 365 divided by the inventory turnover. The days sales outstanding is calculated as 365 divided by the receivables turnover, and the days payable outstanding is calculated as 365 divided by the payables turnover. The inventory turnover formula is the cost of goods sold divided by the inventory. The receivables turnover formula is sales divided by the accounts receivable, and the payables turnover formula is the cost of goods sold divided by the accounts payable. So, we can rewrite the cash conversion cycle formula as 365 times inventory divided by the cost of goods sold plus 365 times accounts receivables divided by sales minus 365 times the accounts payable divided by the cost of goods sold. Let's calculate the cash conversion cycle for the year 2018. We calculated the days inventory outstanding of 243.33 days in 2018 earlier. We calculated the days sales outstanding of 109.50 days in the 2018 earlier. We also calculated the days payable outstanding of 60.83 days in 2018 earlier. So, the cash conversion cycle for the year 2018 is equal to 243.33 plus 109.50 minus 60.83, which equals to 292 days. The unit of the cash conversion cycle ratio is days. It means that there is 292 days delay from the time that the company pays the suppliers to the time the company collects the receivables from the customer. The shorter the cash conversion cycle, the better. Next, let's calculate the cash conversion cycle for the year 2019. We calculated the days inventory outstanding of 230.53 days in 2019 earlier. We calculated the days sales outstanding of 124.71 days in 2019 earlier. And we also calculated the days payable outstanding of 96.05 days in 2019 earlier. So, the cash conversion cycle for the year 2019 is equal to 230.53 plus 124.71 minus 96.05, which is equal to 259.18 days. The unit of the cash conversion cycle ratio is days. It means that there is 259.18 days delay from the time the company pays the suppliers to the time that the company collects the receivables from the customers. The shorter the cash conversion cycle, the better.